Hi guys, this is Joyce and I am here with an unboxing for In Love Art Shop. They reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me if I would like to try some of their dies and what have you, and I agreed. They gave me a $20 coupon to purchase some items, and I did that. And then after I registered, you know, they gave me like 30% discount. So I also bought some, ordered some that I actually paid for. So I think I picked some really nice ones, and both of the orders came at the same time. So, and that's the packaging. I opened it and I just lost something, and I hope it didn't come out of that box bag, so we'll see. So anyway, I went online at their suggestion and I picked some dies that I thought I would get a lot of use out of. And the first one is this All You Need Is Love die. And no, I haven't cut them yet. I wanted to share the items and first, and then I will come back with a video showing what I made. So, like I said, the first one is All You Need Is Love, and that's what the die looks like. And I'm definitely going to put this on some cards, and that's what it looks like from the other side. So, stay tuned because there will be another video right behind this one. And then I had balloons. You know, I do a lot of birthday cards, and this one is called Balloon Decor die. And so this is the balloons. I don't have, but I have some balloon stamps, but I don't have dies. So I think this would be great to die cut. And like I said, I'm going to come back and show you how I use them. And so you could put that on a 5x7, cut 2 of them and just make it balloons, pop some of them up, and then do a happy birthday on it. So I'm going to use this, and like I said, I will be back to show you. And that's that one. And I think that is a great size. The size, it's actually, let's see, it's actually 7.5 inches long. And then the balloons from one side to the other one is about 2¼ inches. So that is a really great size. And then this All You Need Is Love die from the tip to the bottom is like 3¾ inches, and just about 2 inches across. So I'm going to be putting these on some cards, and like I said, I'm going to come back with my next video and I'll show you what I made and tell you how they cut and everything. And so this set, these two came together. And is that it? Well, they were in the same bag, so I got 4. So I thought I dropped something. There was something else. Okay, I'm going to have to look for that. And this one is lace frame borders, and these two were together. And this is what the first one looks like. And so I'm definitely looking forward to that. I think I'll use that one on like a square 5x5 square card maybe. So then that's that one. And then we have this one, which is a perfect frame. And this one is almost 6 inches. Well, from end to end. Yeah, just about 6¼ inches. So that would be great on a 5x7 card maybe. And then it's, yeah, like 4¼ across. So yeah, I think this is going to be a 5x7 card here, which is awesome. So I can't wait to do that. And like I said, I dropped something and I'm just not sure where it went. And that is just the weirdest thing. I'm trying to think what the other one was. So, but this one was 4. So I'm thinking these two and this one, I had 4 from that. And that's the pack where they actually gave me the coupon to get these items. And now I'm going to do one unboxing for the whole thing. So I am turning around trying to find the other bag. Oh, I tell you, if when your room is a mess, it is just a mess. Okay, so I do have another bag of stuff, which is weird. Oh, sorry guys, I stuck it under there. You know, when you get older, your mind just goes totally blank. So now these are the ones that I actually ordered. And I ordered this pocket, this envelope, which I am really looking forward to. And I didn't look the names up on these, but I will definitely have links in the box below. So now these are the ones I bought, and when you register on their site, that you get, I think every order she said you get a 30% off your first order. So this is an envelope, and when it is made, it is going to be just about 3 3/4 inch across. Okay, so once it's made and folded, it'll be a 3 3/4 inch envelope. I am really looking forward to that. So that is one that I chose. And then we have another frame, which, like I said, I meant to go on and write the names of these down, which I didn't, but there will be links in the box below. But this is another frame. Isn't that gonna be so cute? And it's got flowers. And this one is going to be great for an A2 card. So from one long end to the other one, it is going to be about 5.5. Yeah, it looks like about 5.5 from this end to this end. So then that's going to be a great frame, and it is, oh, let's see, just about 4 across. So I'm looking forward to cutting these, and like I said, I'm going to come back and do another video. And then I got this pocket, which I really can't wait to make. So I got 2 different pockets. Okay, so I have this pocket, and I think that's what was in the other one, was another pocket, and I don't see it. Yep, I did drop a die, and I'm going to have to get down on my knees to look for it, because there was another pocket in that bag too. And I felt something fall, but I don't know where it went. So this pocket, and it says love on here, so I'm really getting excited to do that. But once it's folded up, it will be about 2 3/4 inches wide and 3.5 long. So that's going to be really cute, and I'm going to come back with some cute papers and make those. So that one is that. And here is another pocket, and this one actually has a tag to go in it. And I'm going to definitely put links to all of these so that you can see, get a good look at them. And I'll do that in this video and the project video. So that one is going to be a smaller one, but this will be great, because I think that's going to be big enough for a gift card, and we can use that for a gift card holder. And this one is about 1 3/4 inches wide. So yeah, and then it's going to be, once folded, just about 3 inches. So guys, I am so excited. And then you have, that is just really weird, but okay. Then I'm going to use this for a label, and it has roses on it, but I'm going to cut, stamp on it, and use it as for sentiments. And I think that is so cute. So, but I know you can't wait to see what they look like, so I will be working on those projects today. And then we have one more. And it is so cute. It's gonna be so cute. I need to have a piece of paper. So it also has flowers on it once it's cut, and that could be the very front, and then you can stamp your sentiment on there or do a die cut sentiment and put across there. So I think I made some great choices. So that is like 4 1/4. Yeah, wide. So yeah, so guys, I didn't realize that they had so many awesome choices for dies and what have you. And they also do stamps. Okay, I am truly missing something here. And I do not see it, but one of the dies, something fell. I felt it hit my foot when it went down. So, but anyway, I'll find it, and then I'm gonna have links in the box below. So guys, go over. I am gonna also have a coupon code for 15% off of your purchase. I will be, and I'll put all the links in the box. And then I will put the names out beside each link so you'll know which they are. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out In Love Art Shop. There'll be a link to the store and links to each of the items that I got. And like I said, 2 orders. And I ain't making no money off of this, guys. So go by and check them out, and I will be back with my projects. Bye guys. And if you like this video, hey, you know what to do. Leave me a leave me a comment, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hey, if you want to share it with your friends, share it. So I'll be back. Thanks for watching.